As for this one, I've realised that his back seatbelt was locked up. Don't know how, don't know why. Every other seatbelt's working fine. Don't know why that one has locked up. Haven't been in no accidents. On this car, I did get a code. I think it was 1682. ECU, ignition switch, something like that. So what I'm gonna do is get a new ignition switch and just sort out that seat belt. Hopefully it'll be good to go. This stuff needs a little clean down as well. Chain ignition, turn it. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Brake and clutch. Nothing. But when I put the jump starter on it, it will light off. That's how I got the code. But yeah, literally there's no power, no electrics going to the car.